Today we'll be doing the first cooking with T-Dog and Dad. Today we'll be cooking a Nando's sunset burger meal. To do this we need chicken breast, spicy rice, cheese, lettuce, pepper, banana buns, garlic, butter, and Nando's mayo, cherry jam. After we touch any food we need to wash our hands, and we need to start to putting the tips in the oven for 30 minutes. So we open the corn wrapper, which is plastic, and we boil our corn in a pan. You might need an adult for this to turn the gas on, so ask the adult to help you with the gas thingy. Next we need to add the chicken onto the grill, but remember whip the chicken into small pieces before putting them into the grill. Once it's all loaded, you need an adult to turn the grill on. Next, we add the cherry jam. The corn is cooking nicely, and we can smell it from here. Right now we got a garlic butter with buns, so we spread the garlic butter on buns to turn into garlic bread. Once it's all buttered, it needs to go into the oven. So we opened the Uncle Ben's rice, and then we put it into the microwave in 2 minutes. Now we top off our cooked chicken with extra cherry jam, Nando's mayo, cheese, and lettuce, and chips, berry rice, and cooked garlic bread. This is what it looks like when it was finished, and it takes 10 out of 10. Leave a comment below if you want us to do a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye.